KTR with us on NDTV Yuva Mumbai edition. Sir, I want you to teach me Telugu slangs.
I'll teach you Hyderabadi slang.
Okay, let's do that, sir. Which is the first one?
Well, I'll say Biagan ki baatein.
Bayangan ki baat hai.
Hyderabad.
Did I get the accent right? Bayangan ki baat hai.
No, that you are a bit too Yankee.
Okay, well, how is it said?
Biagan ki baatein.
Bayangan ki baat hai.
How ऐसे ही बोलते हैं हम.
Okay, what's next?
What's next? मौत डाल दिए.
Maud dal diye.
हाँ, मौत डाल दिए.
Which is what?
You killed it.
Oh, you killed it. Maud dal diye.
हाँ.
Oh, dal diye.
डाल दीजिए नहीं, डाल दिए.
Dal diye. Okay, what's the third one?
Third one I'd say चिंदिया कर दिए.
Which is what?
Which means basically again you rocked it.
Chindiya kar diye.
चिंदिया कर दिए.
Chindiya kar diye. Use it in a political sentence, sir.
Well, कल का जो मेरा स्पीच था ना चिंदिया करके आया.
It had to be about you. Lovely.
It's अपना टिंडोरा फेंटना पड़ता है.
Yes, you have to blow your own trumpet. That's absolutely correct. But thank you very much for joining us on NDTV Yuva Mumbai edition.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is Arun Singh signing off for NDTV.